Why do you keep changing the suit?
Hey, Yankee. I gotta make a Roxxon lab.
Cool. Let's shut down a reactor.
I'm inside. How about you?
Just got through their security. Their firewalls really are garbage.
How do I get in?
Go down the stairs. I can open the door once you get the power on.
Powering up things is my specialty.
You're getting there. Keep connecting them.
Need to charge it. Generator's powered. I don't think it did anything.
Can you see any power relays? That did it. Overriding the lock. Done.
You know, we're staying loyal to the company. Would be nice if they stayed loyal to us.
What do you mean?
Neighbors found out I worked for Roxxon.
Heads up!
Keep clear!
Target deploy the hologram!
Let's get right at the gate! Our orders are to detain Spider-Man!
Stay fast!
He's gonna throw it! Taking a shot!
Got hands? Catch!
Surrender!
Lethal force. Figure out what's going on.
Oh, man. So, this lab is all about manufacturing research to vet new form and cover up how dangerous it is.
Well, it was. Now everyone knows what Krieger was doing.
Right. Just the sort of press Roxxon deserves.
Engage him! Like that!
You shouldn't have come here! Stand down! Find a way! I'm on it! Come here! He dropped that one! Get out of the way! You need some backup! Shoot it down! Get back! Break it down, Spider-Man!
Batter up! Okay. Have to keep the reactor from hurting anyone else and shut it down for good.
After you drain it, everything in here will shut off. But you'll get sick. powered down. Upstairs is your way out.
Might be something useful on that computer.
Roxxon Rockstars. How cool does it feel to be building the future
Oh, whoa. Glad I didn't land in the middle of that.
You know, I figured you'd have enemies in Spider-Man. I didn't think Roxxon would be one of them.
Yeah, they're way more corrupt than I thought.
Between you and your uncle, I guess messing with Roxxon runs in the family. I'm just along for the ride.
Couldn't take on an evil conglomerate without you. Thanks, man. Talk soon.